In this video, we'll introduce you to the S.M.A.R.T online homepage in the My Account section. The homepage is the default landing page when you log in. You can also access it through the menu on the left-hand side. The homepage provides quick links for easy navigation. To access the My Account section, click on your username at the top of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select My Account. In the My Account section, you'll find your user information displayed prominently. Notifications will be shown on the right side, and at the bottom right, you'll find the default landing page settings. These settings allow you to customize what you see when you log in to S.M.A.R.T Online.